Hi everyone, I just wanted you to try this Phillips pasta winning recipe. If you have a Phillips pasta machine, you might have difficulty making pasta if you follow the recipes in the recipe book. Believe me, I tried several. This recipe was from LA Florence, and it is the only pasta recipe that truly works in the Phillips pasta machine, and you can use this recipe with any of the attachments. You'll need just all-purpose flour, and if you see the container that's meant for flour, you just level it off. You don't weigh it like they said. You just measure two level containers of the Phillips, and then fill the egg cup up to the top brim, and that's 2 servings. The serving I made here, I just used 1 cup, and I used the first line on the egg cup measurement for the liquids. So do not use any other liquids, just eggs. And if you'll notice, the pasta does not stick together. It is smooth and silky, and it's just like fresh pasta should be. And you just slice it off and fluff it up just a bit, and it cooks in less time than regular pasta. I was cooking mine in hot, boiling salted water for 7 minutes. I don't like al dente pasta. I like mine a little bit softer. And the macros on this are fabulous because you're getting protein. Granted, there's a lot of carbs, but this is a high carb meal, and you'll get the ingredients that you know are fresh. Your egg is fresh. Your flour will be fresh. You'll know what's going into your pasta. And you can put any sauce on this. The photo at the end is a walnut and arugula pesto, and with olive oil, and then I had shrimp on top. Absolutely delicious. And you could also just have fettuccine, Alfredo, just regular, American pasta sauce with meatballs. You could make chicken dishes with it. It's just an all-purpose recipe that turns out fabulous every time. So please try this recipe, and it will change your life, and you will definitely be happy, and your family will be happy too. So have a good time and make this pasta. Thank you for watching this video.